In this video, we'll talk about integration by substitution. Here is the first question before us. Evaluate the integral of x times root 3x squared minus 7 dx. So this is how to do it. I will make a u substitution. I will say let u be equal to what is inside that square root, 3x squared minus 7. 3x squared minus 7. So if I differentiate u with respect to x, du is equal to differentiate 3x squared to get 6x. Differentiate minus 7 to get 0. So du is equal to 6x dx. Now, this integral that I can see here, I can write it as the integral of the square root of 3x squared minus 7 times x dx. Yes, I can do that. So if I look at this now, I can see x dx. It's just for me to remove the 6 from here to obtain what is here. So divide both sides by 6. I'll get du over 6 is equal to x dx. Good. So in place of x dx here, I'll write du over 6. And in place of this 3x squared minus 7, I'll write u. So the integral will now be a function of u. You get it? We have the integral of u to the power of half. Square root signifies the power of 1 over 2. Then in place of x dx, write du over 6 times du all over 6. I can bring that 6 out as 1 over 6. So that 1 times du is du, 6 times 1 is 6. Okay? So let me integrate u to the power of half with respect to u. This is the integral of u to the power of half du. Let's now integrate u to the power of half du. Okay? So going by the formula for integration, we have 1 over 6 times u to the power of 1 half plus 1 divided by what? Half plus 1. And because the integral is what? Indefinite, it does not have bounds, no lower and upper limit. We'll add an arbitrary constant, c. So this is it. 1 over 6. U to the power of 1 half plus 1 is u to the power of 3 over 2. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 all over 2. Divided by 1 half plus 1 is also 3 over 2 plus c. So let's simplify. This is 1 over 6 times u to the power of 3 over 2. This 3 over 2 is actually 2 all over 3. Let's multiply this by 2 over 3 plus the arbitrary constant c. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So we have this u to the power of 3 over 2 all over 9 plus c. Now we will now make back the substitution. Remember we said let u be equal to what? 3x squared minus 7. So we are going to make that substitution back. This is now equal to 3x squared minus 7 to the power of 3 over 2 all over 9 plus c. This is the integral. So lastly, let's evaluate the integral x cos 2x squared dx. So I guess by now you will know what u is. U is equal to what? 2x squared. Alright? So the u is 4x dx. Here it is x dx. So divide both sides by 4. You obtain du over 4 is equal to x ds. Good. So the integral is now the integral of x ds is already du over 4. This is now cos u. So we have cos u times du over 4, which is 1 over 4 integral cos u du. Integrating cosine will yield sine. So the integral of cos u is sine u. We have 1 over 4 sine u. This integral is indefinite, so we must add the arbitrary constant c. Okay? Remember what u is. U is 2s squared. So this is 1 over 4 sine 2s squared plus c. This is how to evaluate integrals by method of substitution. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Keep supporting by subscribing to this channel, like and share the video to your friends and to your classmates.